The Kalstein Veterinary Standing Bathtub with Sliding Door, and all-in-one, designed for pet care professionals, veterinary clinics, and grooming salons. Spacious and ergonomically designed, accommodates pets of all sizes, from small breeds to large dogs, with a retractable ramp that leaves both hands completely free for safe animal handling. The YRO6606 Veterinary Standing Bathtub with Sliding Door, an all-in-one pet product designed to meet the highest standards of functionality, durability, and ease of use for pet care professionals. The convenient sliding door design eliminates the mess associated with lift-up door systems, facilitating safe and stress-free pet. Fully equipped with complete stainless steel fittings, including hot and cold faucet, raised grooming arm, shower hose, 3-pattern shower head, storage basket, restraint rings, and aluminum alloy soap box, all rugged and leak-proof. The coiled bottom mat provides a soft, non-slip surface for pets to stand on, trapping loose hair and dirt during bathing, contributing to a consistently clean and hygienic environment. The efficient drainage system features 3-sided splash guards that protect the surrounding walls from water and shampoo, keeping the entire work area clean and hygienic. The patented stainless steel inline hair filter retains hair and debris during drainage, preventing pipe blockages and simplifying cleaning. Built with heavy-duty 304 stainless steel at 18 gauge, featuring full welding and a polished finish, ensuring unmatched durability, rust resistance, and longevity in demanding professional environments. Explore the complete Kalstein Veterinary Bathtub catalog, ideal for dog groomers, veterinary clinics, and animal shelters worldwide. Visit kalstein.net. Kalstein, we bring science to life.